So we shall discuss some basic property of fluid like density. We all know these things very properly, so I will not go into that much detail to understand these characteristic defined as density. Density is designated by rho, mass per unit volume for corresponding pressure is known as density. Specific weight, if density is multiplied by G, then it is called specific weight, and specific volume, it is the inverse of the density, is called specific volume. Then we have specific gravity, which is the ratio of two weight density or density of liquid, and it is compared with the density of pure water at 101 kilonewton per meter square at 4 degrees centigrade. So when we mention specific gravity of any liquid, like say in case of mercury, because we have studied it in great detail, the mercury specific gravity is mentioned as 13.6. Since it is a ratio, so that's why it is a dimensionless number, and in this case of mercury 13.6 means it is compared with the weight density of pure water under these conditions, 101 kilonewton per meter square and at 4 degrees centigrade. So if we multiplied 13.6 with the density of water under these conditions, we will get the weight density of mercury. Now sometime the specific gravity of gases is also given. In case of gases, generally comparison is done with the help of with air at normal temperature pressure, or with the help of helium, and since there is no standard as such to compare for other cases, so in many situations the specific, whenever we mention specific gravity, we need to mention that it is compared with such kind of fluid or solid or gases under these conditions. So this comparison is generally mentioned. If it is not mentioned, then in case of liquid we compare it with water, in case of gases we compare it with